Have you ever wondered how wolves, these majestic and enigmatic creatures, evolved and adapted over time? The story of the wolf is a tale of survival and adaptability, a journey through time that spans millions of years. In the grand tapestry of life, wolves trace their lineage back to a group of carnivores known as the carnivora morpha, who roamed our planet some 40 million years ago. Over time, these ancient creatures evolved, adapting to different environments and survival challenges. They developed into the Canidae family, a group that includes not just wolves but also other species like foxes and domestic dogs. The wolf as we know it today, Canis lupus, emerged around 1 million years ago, standing out as a testament to evolution's power. These wolves were well equipped for survival. Their long legs made them excellent long-distance runners, capable of chasing down the swiftest prey. Their sharp teeth and powerful jaws could crush bones, allowing them to extract the maximum nutrients from their kills. But the evolution of wolves was not just about physical traits. They also developed complex social structures and communication methods. Wolves live and hunt in packs, a strategy that increases their chances of bringing down large prey and defending their territories. Their intricate vocalizations, from howls to barks, serve as a language, communicating everything from danger alerts to bonding signals. The evolution of wolves was influenced by various factors, including changes in climate, availability of prey, and competition with other predators. Each of these elements played a role in shaping the wolves into the creatures we recognize today. They have evolved to survive in diverse environments, from the icy landscapes of the Arctic to the arid regions of the desert. So, the next time you hear a wolf's haunting howl piercing the silent night, remember that it's more than just a call into the wilderness. It's a voice echoing across millennia, a testament to the wolf's incredible journey through evolution. Now that we know how wolves evolved, let's delve into their unique characteristics that set them apart. What makes a wolf unique? Is it their pack mentality, their communication skills, or their hunting strategies? Let's delve into these attributes that make wolves the fascinating creatures they are. Wolves are known for their complex social structure. They live in packs, usually consisting of a breeding pair and their offspring, much like a human family. The alpha pair leads the pack, making decisions that prioritize the survival and well-being of the group. This social hierarchy maintains order and strengthens bonds within the pack, allowing wolves to work together efficiently. Communication is another area where wolves truly stand out. They employ a rich blend of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to convey messages to one another. The iconic wolf howl, for instance, can serve multiple purposes. It can rally the pack, assert territory, or even express joy. Wolves also use subtle cues like tail positioning or ear movements to express their moods and intentions. This nuanced communication system is vital for maintaining harmony within the pack and coordinating during hunts. Speaking of hunts, wolves are strategic hunters. They rely on teamwork and clever tactics rather than brute force. A wolf pack may spend hours tracking their prey, using their keen sense of smell and acute hearing. They coordinate their movements, encircling their target, and then strike as a unified force. This strategy allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability. But the role of wolves extends beyond their pack. They are key players in the ecosystem, often serving as apex predators. By controlling the populations of large herbivores, wolves help maintain a balance in the food chain. This, in turn, influences the vegetation and even the behavior of other animals, shaping the landscape itself. In the grand tapestry of nature, every thread is interconnected. Wolves, with their unique traits and behaviors, weave a vibrant pattern into this tapestry, influencing and being influenced by the world around them. With their unique traits, wolves have secured their place in the ecosystem. But how do they interact with humans? Let's explore this intriguing relationship in our next segment. The relationship between wolves and humans has always been a complex one. How has it evolved over time? In the early days of human history, our ancestors shared a coexistence with wolves. They admired the wolf's hunting prowess, and in some cultures, even revered them as sacred creatures. This mutual respect led to the domestication of wolves, marking the birth of what we now know as man's best friend, the dog. But as societies developed and humans began to farm, wolves were seen more as threats than companions. They were feared for their predatory nature, seen as competitors for livestock, and were even associated with evil in folklore and myths. This fear and misunderstanding led to widespread hunting and extermination efforts, pushing wolves to the brink of extinction in some regions. However, as we moved into the 20th century, our understanding and perception of wolves began to change. Scientists started to study wolves in their natural habitats, revealing their complex social structures and important role in maintaining ecological balance. This ignited a shift in society's attitude towards wolves, leading to conservation efforts aimed at protecting and restoring their populations. In recent years, we've seen a resurgence of wolves in areas where they had once disappeared, thanks to these conservation initiatives. But this has also sparked new conflicts as wolves come into contact with human populations, reigniting debates about coexistence and management. Despite these challenges, there's a growing recognition of the need to find a balance, a way for humans and wolves to share the land and its resources. Education and awareness programs are helping to dispel myths about wolves, fostering understanding and respect for these remarkable creatures. Today, as we continue to learn more about wolves, we are starting to see them not as the villains of our stories, but as vital players in our ecosystems. We are redefining our relationship with wolves, replacing fear with knowledge and respect. The relationship between humans and wolves has been a roller coaster ride. But what does the future hold for these creatures? What does the future hold for wolves? Will they continue to roam the wilderness, or will they face extinction? Today, wolves are at a crossroads. With the encroachment of human civilization into their natural habitats, their numbers are dwindling. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal hunting are some of the threats wolves face, resulting in a precarious balance between survival and extinction. In North America, the gray wolf population is under threat. Despite the positive efforts of reintroduction programs in Yellowstone National Park back in the 90s, their numbers are still struggling. They are caught in a tug-of-war between ranchers who see them as a threat to livestock and conservationists who understand their vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Across the Atlantic, the situation is slightly more hopeful. In Europe, wolf populations are slowly recovering thanks to strict hunting regulations and successful reintroduction programs in countries like Sweden. However, the future is not entirely bleak. Conservation efforts worldwide are striving to protect these magnificent creatures. From the establishment of protected areas to the enforcement of anti-poaching laws, these initiatives aim to ensure that wolves continue to be a part of our world's rich biodiversity. Wolves are keystone species, meaning they play a crucial role in the way an ecosystem functions. Without them, the system falls out of balance. For instance, in regions where wolves have been reintroduced, they've controlled the overpopulation of deer and elk, allowing vegetation to flourish again. This, in turn, has positive effects up and down the food chain. The future of wolves also holds potential for coexistence with humans. Innovative strategies like non-lethal wolf management techniques and compensation schemes for livestock losses to wolves are being explored. These measures aim to balance the needs of people and wildlife, fostering a future where both can thrive. The future of wolves lies in our hands. It's up to us to ensure their survival. Wolves are an integral part of our planet's ecological tapestry, and their story is tied to ours. By understanding their role and valuing their existence, we can champion a future where wolves continue to howl in the wild, echoing the call of the wilderness. Wolves, these magnificent creatures, have had a long journey from their evolution to their unique characteristics, their complex relationship with humans, and their uncertain future. Let's take a moment to reflect on the fascinating journey we've embarked upon today. We've delved into the enigmatic world of wolves, tracing their evolution from ancient ancestors to the diverse species we see today. These creatures are not mere predators, they are a pivotal part of the ecosystem, embodying strength, resilience, and a remarkable adaptability to diverse habitats. We've explored their unique characteristics, from their social structure, intricate communication methods, to their hunting tactics. We've seen how wolves live in packs, each with a distinct role and hierarchy. Their lives a testament to the power of unity and cooperation. Their howls, a language unto itself, not only assert their presence but also strengthen the bonds within the pack. Our journey took us deeper into the complex relationship between wolves and humans. We've seen the fear, fascination, and respect that wolves have inspired in humans throughout history. We've also acknowledged the threats that wolves face due to human activities, from habitat loss to hunting, a sobering reminder of the impact we have on these majestic creatures. Looking ahead, we pondered on the future of wolves. While we can't predict what lies ahead, we can certainly influence it. Conservation efforts, research, and changing human attitudes towards wolves can pave the way for a more hopeful future. A future where wolves can thrive in their natural habitats, their howls echoing through the wilderness as a symbol of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Remember, every creature has a role in the ecosystem, and wolves are no exception. Let's respect and protect these majestic creatures for the future of our planet. Here's to the wolves, to their resilience, their beauty, and their vital role in our world. May their howls continue to echo, a haunting melody in the symphony of nature.